Our lesson today, it's homework correction on lesson 1.6. So this is the question 32. Cosine x is equal to negative 0.7. And as you can see, the interval is between 2 pi and 4 pi. So the first step, I will find x equals to cosine inverse of 0.7. And as you can see, I will ignore the negative sign and find the answer in the first quadrant. Next step, I will study cosine is negative at which quadrant? At the second and the third, right? So at the second, okay, so at the second quadrant, I will put, to find the answer, pi minus the answer x. Okay. So that's it. Pi minus the answer I got at the first step. And at the third quadrant, what it will be? It will be as simple as that. Pi plus the answer. Why the answer in radian? Because as you can see, don't forget to change your calculator to radian because the interval. So as I told you in the previous video, the cosine is negative at which quadrant? Yes, at the second and the third. How can we find the angle in the second quadrant? As simple as that. We will put pi in the second quadrant, pi minus or pi plus. Of course, it's pi minus the answer that we will get from the calculator. Just a second. I will find it for you at the end of this video using my calculator. And next step, so it's a pi minus. And for cosine is negative also in the third quadrant, so it will be pi plus. Perfect. Next step, look at the interval. Is it a general solution or is it asking for the first round? 2 pi and 4 pi, what's that? It's the second round. What does that mean? We should think about finding an answer for it. So to find an angle in the second quadrant exactly, what we will do at the end, think about it till I give you the answer at the end of this solution of this question. So the only new idea, everything is old information, recall information, we took it in the first term. So